Welcome to the FoodLabelMaker tutorial. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of utilizing the costing feature in our tool. To begin, navigate to the Costs tab located on the left side of your dashboard. This will open up the My Costs section where you can input your ingredient costs and additional expenses, and set default margins for your recipes. Let's start by inputting ingredient costs. Click on Add New Ingredient Cost and select your ingredient from the database. Enter the price, amount, and unit, then click Submit. This action will effectively create and save the cost of this ingredient, making it readily available for use in any of your recipes. Now, let's address other costs, such as packaging, labor, and overhead expenses. Click on Add New Cost and choose the type of cost you want to input. For instance, if you're adding packaging costs, specify the package name, enter the cost, and submit. This will incorporate the packaging cost into your recipes as needed. Similarly, you can add labor costs by providing details such as the name, unit, and cost per unit, then submitting the information to add it to your cost database. Additionally, overhead costs like electricity can be added by filling out the necessary details and submitting them. Lastly, you have the option to set a default margin that will be applied to all your new recipes automatically. With these simple steps, you now have the capability to accurately cost your ingredients and recipes, ensuring better management of your culinary projects. Now, let's move to exploring our costing feature while creating our recipes. Click on any recipe you have and move to the Costing tab to see the instant update on how the ingredients costs will be reflected in your Recipe Builder page. You also have the opportunity to add new costs or edit existing ones as you desire. Click on Other Costs and start populating the packaging, labor, and overhead costs of this specific recipe. Input your desired selling price or margin and watch as the tool automatically calculates the other for you. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a visual breakdown of your recipe costs, including costs per batch and per package, alongside projected gross profits. Dive deeper into detailed cost reports, available for download, allowing you to review and analyze every aspect. Thank you for tuning in. For more expert tips and insights, stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials.